Hello, this is Richard Price. Welcome to askdentistry.ai. This is the dental version of ChatGPT. The QR code gives you the link. The first time you set up your account, we'll be sending you a verification code. Now, this will probably go to your spam folder because the website's so new. So look there for it. Put in the verification code, and then you get on the site. For the first 2 weeks, you get free access to the Pro version, which gives you the links to the articles that are used to generate the answers. Here you can see the answers to the questions, and by clicking Show, you can then see the articles and the DOIs and the links to them. This one here you'd have to purchase. Now we'll look for another article. This one here is free. Thanks for watching, and please do contact me if you have any concerns or questions.